Committee on Tribal Unity, Cotu, locked government offices in Kangpokpi district alleging that Manipur government did not take any action. In response to the killing of two people during crossfire between two armed miscreants in Phailing Mall area of Machi block in Tamenglong district on April 12th. The offices of the Town Employment Exchange, Zonal Education Officer and Southern Hills Autonomous District Council, Kangpokpi, at Kangpokpi district headquarters were locked by Cotu. According to spokesperson of Cotu, NG Lun Kipgen, Cotu has urged District Electoral Officer DEO of Kangpokpi and Election Commission of India to launch a judicial investigation into the cross-firing incident that broke out at Phailing Mall and Gampi Phai. However, no constructive action has been taken. Denouncing the incident, Cotu called a 24-hour shutdown in Kangpokpi district. He further cautioned that if DEO does not take any action by today, the office of DEO in Kangpokpi will also be locked.
Today, we are compelled to close all district offices here in Kangpokpi. We have met a district election officer and petitioned him to take up necessary punitive action and made judicial inquiry on the perpetrators over two of our Kukizo volunteers at Phailing Mall. And he has assured us that he will take all necessary action and measures to solve the issue. But our public, we are here to close all the offices today. But since he had requested this evening, failing which we will be liable to close even the office of the District Commissioner of Kangpokpi.